In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add payment method on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings and then scroll down until you find Wallet and Apple Pay. After that, towards the top of the screen, tap Add Card, and on the next step select one of two options, debit or credit card or transit card. I'll pick debit or credit, and then I'll hit at Continue. On that step you will be able to scan your card, or you can just hit at Enter Card Details manually, just like that. After that you need to enter your card number and all the details, and when you go through all of these steps, your card will be added right here to payment cards, and you will be able to use it to pay in shops or App Store. If you want to be able to use your side button to activate Apple Pay, just make sure that double-click side button option turned on, and if it is turned on, you will be able to just quickly double press your side button to activate Apple Pay. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.